Like Christmas. Merry Vlogmas 2022.
Hey everybody, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Bill.
And we're nursing our travel bug.
We've been full-time RVing for over 5 years now.
And we document our journey right here on YouTube. But for the next 25 days, we are participating in Vlogmas, where we release a video every single day.
Make sure you start at day 1 so you know what's happening. And subscribe and ring that notification bell.
Now, on to today's episode. It is the first week of December. And look at this place. It's not very festive. We need some decorations, and we need a Christmas tree. But we're RVers. Where are we going to find RV-friendly stuff? Stick with us and we'll show you. Vlogmas Day 7! I love to decorate for the holidays, but we aren't carrying around a bunch of holiday decor. It really takes up space. So where do you go to get some cute but inexpensive holiday decor? The Dollar Tree. Let's go inside and see what kind of treasures they have. We RV'd. I had a little 4-foot artificial tree that we actually had in storage, and we carted around with us so that we could decorate every single year. But since we got the toy hauler, we don't have as much underbelly storage, so it was time to say goodbye to my beautiful tree. We don't want to get another artificial tree. So we have come to a local tree farm to scope out all of the options. Obviously, these trees are too big. We're looking at something small, and even probably smaller than the 4-foot we used to have. So let's scope out their selection and see if we can find something that'll fit tiny living. Never owned a real Christmas tree. This was a first experience for me. I've always had artificial trees growing up, so I was not anticipating the cost associated with these trees, although they do smell pretty amazing. And we did find a line of smaller trees that would probably fit in the RV. They were about 4 feet, but the ones that we really liked were like too wide. So, and too much money, if I'm gonna be honest. So we're gonna hit the road and check out a couple of more spots. I've got a couple of ideas on what we can maybe do.
Ooh.
That's right, Lowe's has a pretty awesome garden center. I think we're gonna have some luck here. Let's go check it out. While I have gotten rid of our artificial Christmas tree, I do still have a bin full of holiday decor that we have been carrying around that I've been wanting to pare down and go through. So that's a little bit of what we're going to do while we're decorating. So now we really need to pick out what's important and just decorate with the fun stuff that we got at the store. The kids are gonna help decorate our rosemary bush Christmas tree. What do you think? What do you guys think? Would you consider this a Christmas tree? Would you use it as a Christmas tree in your own RV? Let us know in the comments down below. For now, we're gonna get the lights strung up and get to decorating. There she is, our first official real Christmas tree, complete with all of the ornaments that are special and hold memories for us. What do you guys think?
It's tiny.
It is tiny.
Shiny.
There's not a whole lot of room for all the ornaments we have.
Mm-hmm.
Shiny.
But we were able to make all of the ornaments that were special fit, huh?
Mostly.
Mostly.
Yeah. And then when you're cooking chicken, you can just take some leaves and cook it.
That's right, because this is actually rosemary. So this was a reason why we wanted to go with something like this, because it's practical. We can use it for herbs down the road. It smells amazing in here. And it just spruces up the house any time of year. Little sticky. Lots of sap. All right, tree's done. Now to tackle the rest of the house. If you're an RVer, you probably have some of these, some 3M command strips or hooks or Velcro or whatever, because they are perfect for hanging stuff. And we are going to use these to hang our stockings back here over the fireplace. We're also going to use them to hang some decorations around the slide outs. The dining area is kind of a focal point of our home, aside from the entertainment area over here. So we're gonna spruce it up a little bit. Bella already hung up our mistletoe. Ooh, but let's transform our table into a festive area. Jingle bells, jingle on the doorknob. I did get rid of a lot of my holiday decor, but the one thing I will not part with is our little mini nativity. It's just a baby Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. But Jesus is the reason for the season, right?
Yeah.
Gotta have a nativity. And we have the perfect spot for it because we have a little mantle in our RV.
Don't forget your plate for the milk and cookies for the fat man.
Now that's more like it.
And what is great is that most of these items we can just donate after the holidays are over, and we don't have to worry too much because we didn't spend too much money. We were able to condense down the Christmas decorations to just a few ornaments and a couple of little things. So we have less things to take with us on the road as well. Well, what do you guys think? What do you think of the house, kids?
It doesn't even look like my house anymore. Like
Like-
I'm in a dream.
Ooh, in a dream. Ooh.
It makes you feel awesome. Now that we're in Christmassy things, it makes you feel happy.
I'm excited.
I agree. It's definitely more festive, definitely lifts the spirits. Let us know in those comments down below. What do you think of the decor? What do you think of the pieces we've picked out and how we've decorated? Let us know in those comments. We hope you've enjoyed the video. If so, make sure you give it a big ol' thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified anytime we release a new video, especially these Vlogmas videos. Make sure you are started at day 1 so that you can catch up on all the fun we have. We've got about 18 days left and you don't want to miss a moment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Natasha.
I'm Bill.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Will.
And we're nursing our travel bug, encouraging you to nurse what makes you happy.
And that's singing Christmas cheer for all to hear.
Ba la 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 la.
Like Christmas.
How many days left? We have 15 days left, right? No.
If this
Math is hard.
We have
Math
19.
is hard. Math is hard.
19. It's
Math
the
is really
6th.
hard.
I'm tired.
Wait, this is day 7.
If this
So
is day 7, then we have 18 more days left.
Okay. Stop, Will.